seekers are facing more challenges. They're once again being forced to bring their own interpreter to crucial interviews to determine if they can stay in the United States.
During the COVID-19 pandemic, the government had offered them a quality interpreter, but funding dried up this month. CBS News Miami's Larry Seward has more from downtown Miami.
This office is where affirmative asylum seekers come to continue that process. Lawyers say the story they tell is critical to gaining status, and there's renewed concern about the interpreters some will use.
Es muy difícil.
It's very difficult, Irma, too afraid to show her face, told us in Spanish. 7 months ago, with her 15-year-old son in 2 suitcases, Irma fled violence in Peru, then crossed America's border for asylum. Those like her not facing removal hearings apply for affirmative asylum status. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the U.S. government offered certified translators to help them. When funding ended this month, applicants had to find their own like the old days. Immigration attorney Willie Allen says it's hardly all good.
The difference between winning and losing is in the translation.
Allen helped 13 clients find interpreters. Rules prevent it from being the applicant's attorneys, but nothing requires certified translators like those in U.S. criminal courts. Allen thinks it leaves asylum seekers vulnerable to scams.
I'm concerned about people who go by themselves. You're depending entirely on the interpreter. A poor interpreter, somebody that's not been certified or has not had experience being an interpreter, it concerns on how you can tell your story and how it's come across. And it's so important to be able to tell your story correctly with the correct language.
In Creole, Romial told us he's concerned about interpreters giving immigration agents the wrong information. It happened when he landed here from Haiti.
He said that they asked him for his father, his mom, his dad, and all that. When they asked him about, is he experiencing credible fear, he does not remember at all that they have asked him that.
Mixed messages caused delays that he came to this office to fix. Itia Dalfon prepares immigration documents.
It's not a word-for-word translation. You really have to also have certain level of legality, like to understand the legal terms to use immigration like.
Allen says interpretation problems have led to families being separated and flown back to countries where imminent danger lies.
Me quitaron todo.
Irma says robbers took everything from her back home in Peru. They stole her front door, kidnapped her son, then when they were reunited, assaulted and threatened to kill them. So with no job, no documentation, and so far no lawyer to help, she's searching for someone to help translate her story in a way that wins asylum and keeps her son out harm's way. In downtown Miami, Larry Seward, CBS News, Miami.